Okay, my name is Dame Dead, and what I'm going to do first is just a little acapella first of all. So, you're amazing and everything, but... I've been creating this art from the genesis. Now I've got bystanders, all paranoid, trying to figure out what my method is. Each line is laced with beauty and smoke, cause it also has the lemon in. I grind hard on a 24 with them hopeless members of society, all trying to climb up the hierarchy, just to settle for a 25k job, claiming that they're self-made bosses. I try and detach myself from the fickle gossip, like who's feeling who and did anyone clock it? My nucleus is living on a different universe. I get distracted at times, but when I focus on my verses, it's a rap. Directors will say my lyrics paint art galleries. It's something like a Shakespearean play. It should get studied by the students. Poetry with an influential influence of kicks and a snare. I'm 22, Adonai, I feel I'm prepared. I've been spitting for 8 years, but my pain is golden with African diamonds in it. Snaps all in a moment. Oh, you get me high, you get me high. Thank you so much.
Oh no.
The next, I've got instrumental, this one is, but not too loud though. But you're enjoying yourself, yeah?
Yeah!
Thank you, thank you. I tell the world I'm in my element. Blood, sweat and tears is the hypothesis I represent. I look the demons in the eyes and scream that I was heaven sent. And then they fled like the scripture said. So now I'm stronger in my flesh as I massage my spirit. I'm glad you heard about me way before I land bitches. I didn't beg for a bringing. I humbled myself and asked for you to be my manager, and you didn't consider it. Oh, 100 hours, lace my boots up. I'ma get these industry sleepers to wake up. You little fake fucks, acting like you got their content. I only rate a few on what you ain't amongst them. So take a picture as I'm down in the cellar. Watch me rise to the ceiling, and I finally know the meaning of why I was on the crane, screaming blow or die season. Even when the shots were out. Damn, and you can catch me about. I'm on a pedal bike, broke like I ain't ever smoked. Walk in and out of tedious jobs, chasing this dream with the little mustard seed of faith I've got. But it don't seem enough though. In this chaotic universe, I've got to focus on my one official goal and make sure I don't get distracted, even though it's hard not to come full. I'm renewing my mind from the dawn before the birds even awaken. I'm scribbling my goals on an A4 paper. I'm getting the universe to do the work for me. Lizzie's on my mind now more secretly than ever. The line of insanity is definitely apparent. I'm screaming MOE, been brainwashed, but who hasn't? Success, that's been the reason I'm inspired. My beast mentality is lurking in my attire. I'm screaming victory from my tongue. I hear them echoing, they're shouting that I am the one. So call me Dame Deads when I'm walking. It's my freaking name that they're calling. I'm screaming victory from my tongue. I hear them echoing, they're shouting, they say I'm the one. So call me Dame Deads when I'm walking. It's my freaking name that they're calling. The public say they're still considering I'm a rarity for a UK citizen. So put me underneath your microscope and do your research. I keep screaming that I've come from the dirt, so you might see a few blotches from the urban culture and the pain I had to soldier. But life is a roller coaster, so you gotta ride it with your hands in the air and embrace the expression of smiling. Cause the pain will all disappear. I just see it as an opportunity to fluctuate like an eagle and join the up and coming people. As a shine of motivation, you can get through any trial and tribulation. And at the start of 2012, I made a promise to myself to refrain from complaining. I'm focused on the blessings to come. I hear them whispering, I'm listening, they say I'm the one. What? But it's all in perfect timing. Been writing bars since the rays of sidewinding. My brother was a huge influence. He got me addicted to this art, along with Eminem's Marshall Mark. They say I liked him cause he used foul language. I tried to underline that he was outstanding. He took me through my darkest days. Well, that's relative, cause now every day I'm in the light. Even when I'm approached by Mount Everest, nothing I can't conquer. I see my role models acting as my sponsors, but no one ain't putting on only me. I see them top of the wall as if I've just smoked the fatty zombie, and I ain't even a smoker. I ain't even picked up a cigarette once in my life, but every single test that I go through, they keep screaming that I'm a testify, and I believe in that. I'm screaming victory from my tongue. I hear them echoing, they're shouting, they say I'm the one. So call me Dame Debs when I'm walking. It's my freaking name that they're calling. They're screaming victory from my tongue. I hear them echoing, they're shouting, they say I'm the one. So call me Dame Debs when I'm walking. It's my freaking name that they're calling. I'm screaming victory from my tongue. I hear them echoing, they're shouting, they say I'm the one. So call me Dame Debs when I'm walking. Yeah, I'm the one that brings a storm in. I'm screaming victory from my tongue. I hear them echoing, they're shouting, they say I'm the one. So call me Dame Debs when I'm walking. Yeah, it's my freaking name that they call.
Okay.
Thank you. You can follow me on Twitter, like take out your phones now, yeah? at Dame Debs. And yeah, just need a few more followers. Follow the music and everything, and yeah, it's been great. Nice energy, like I'm feeling it. I just want to stay on here now. No, thank you so much, thank you.